Hey there, Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. And today I'm going to cover everything to do with guitar picks, how to hold the guitar pick. Then I've got 3 tips that'll make it all come together for you. And that's coming up. Now, guitar picks come in all different shapes and sizes, and I like to keep mine in this. Nice little handy. Hope you like my makeshift table here. My Fender. You can never have enough picks. My little Fender guitar case table. As you can tell, they come in all different shapes and sizes. Guitar picks are made of different materials: metal, celluloid, nylon, and the guitar player for Queen uses a shilling, which is an old English coin. It seems to work fine on his guitar. Today I want to show you 3 tips about guitar picks and how to hold a guitar pick. The guitar picks, like this Fender celluloid guitar pick, very flexible. Depending on what material you're using for the pick will determine the brightness of the sound of the strings when you strum them. Using a thick pick like this, it's not going to be as bright a sound when you strum the guitar. If you're using a thick pick, that'll work great for an electric guitar, and a thin pick, especially if you're starting out, is more flexible. You're going to be able to strum the strings a lot easier on an acoustic guitar. So what I would recommend is getting an assortment of picks, trying them out, see which one you like best. But let's cover how to hold the guitar pick. So it's not very scientific, but if I pick this up, I'm going to grab it. I'm not going to pick it up with 2 fingers because it's a large object and it's going to fall over like it just did. So you grab it with all fingers. If you're picking up a tiny object, you're going to pick it up with a couple of fingers. But the best way to do this would be you could actually hold the pick like this and pick, but if you're going to be picking the individual strings, you want this pointed part of the pick to be facing the strings. So the best way to do it is to hold your finger like this and put your thumb on top. And then you're going to be facing the pointed edge of this pick. Is going to be facing the strings. And if you're squared to the strings, you're going to be picking each string. It's going to be easier. It's not going to slip off or anything like that. It's a Dunlap. It's made to not slip out of your fingers. And this one is 0.60 millimeter. So it's thick. You might want to start out with a little nylon pick. I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully you can. A lot of people want to hold the pick way up here by your second knuckle, which you might be able to hold it better, but when it comes to intricate picking up and down, you can't do it like this. It just won't work. So put it on the end of your finger like this. Face it towards the strings. And the picks, the thickness is measured in gauge. Like this is a 0.60 millimeter. It's thick, and you can get thinner ones. This is a medium pick. Notice the difference in the sound, the strings. That's a thick pick. It's not very bright. Here's a celluloid pick. See how bright it is? Versus this Dunlap pick, which I love. It's not as bright. I would recommend getting an assortment of picks. Try them out. See which one you like. Remember, place your pick on your finger, put your thumb on it, and face it towards the strings. That has a lot of attack on the strings. But if you want to do some strumming, you might want a flexible pick.